Here comes the bus. Here comes the monster bus. Coming through. Good job, Riles. Everybody likes to do this at like 9 in the morning. Good girl. Good job. Put him back on. He fell off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Riles, what's your bus say? Beep, beep. Mm-hmm. Oh, they can. I don't know if they can fit. Should we turn around and do more? And do more? Okay, let's go that way. Nope. Good job. Say beep beep, coming through. Good job. Wow, you're a good driver. Good driver. More.
Dentist x-rays count?
Mm-hmm. What is that? Monster? Want to put him on your bus?
My teeth.
Riles, what does a monster say?
A year, I think January 20th.
Roar.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And give him a ride? Want me to hold that one? I'll hold him. I'll give him hugs. Hugs on a monster. Oh, you want to give hugs to the monster? Oh, so nice.